Hello my friend, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can create oil pet portraits in Adobe Photoshop. Without wasting any more time, let's get start the video my friend. Okay, so in the step 1, create new document. Select A4 size document. Okay, if you want to choose another size you can go for it. For this tutorial I'm going to take A4 size document and always choose 300 resolution if you want to print it out. If you are designing something for screen, so you can take 80 resolution or have 100 resolution, but if you are going to print, then use higher resolution. Okay, then simply click on create. Okay, now we have to import our image. Okay, in this case I'm going to import that image. Okay, let's import the image. If you download it, then resize it according to your requirement. I don't want all portion of, I only want the face area. So first step I'm going to rename it to 01. Then take copy, hide first layer, then select the layer which we copied, then go to select subject. Photoshop will automatically select subject from the background. Okay, then use add a layer mask. Simply click on layer mask icon and done. Then click on mask, take a brush of round brush, select a black color and remove area which you don't. Just roughly remove unwanted area. Okay, we can fix it later, so don't worry, just remove it. You don't have to be very precise, just remove it. Okay, okay, now name it at or whatever you want. Convert to smart object, take a copy, then when smart object, resize it, then simply click on layer and right click, rasterize layer, then go to smudge tool. You can download digital painting brush from link in the bio. Simply download and just go click on gear icon, Then click on import brush if you want to import brushes, or just simply download brush or double click on it. It will automatically import all of your brushes to Photoshop. So you can follow any method you want. Then simply click on first brush, smooth smudge brush. So there is a lot of brush, you can try it. Adjust brush size according to your requirement and just start smudging. You can always increase or decrease brush strength. I would like to set it on 75 for full. Then just start smudging. All the brushes which I using in this tutorial you can download from link which given in the description, or you can also check comment. Okay, I will also pin the download link there. If you can't understand what I'm saying, just follow my step which I'm trying to explain, but sometimes it's difficult for me to explain everything in English. So hope you understand what I want to say. Okay, after completing the smudging process, now we can do some additional adjustment. I made mistake. Let's just do Control C. Now start. Okay, so now let's add paper background. So maybe I have some downloaded paper background texture effect, or you can just simply go to freepik.com and type paper texture. You will get a lot of free paper texture images. Okay, so take any on, select any free paper texture image. Open image in new tab of image you can download. Okay, you just don't want to stretch our tutorial, so that is why just copy image, then simply paste it here. Okay, I give it small image, Control T, rotate it according to requirement, transform, just send it to back. Okay, good, looks good. Then simply select our cat here, which we smudge it. Okay, then simply combine this layer, select, simply convert to smart object. You can now transform, Control T, make it small. Just okay. Okay, now let's add a name. Simply take text tool, change color. Just simply choose font style which you want. Okay. You want to copy, you can above add link. Doesn't look good. Double click on our pet's layer, then just play with sliders. I want some paper texture on my pet's edge. Okay, you can play with. Now group all this layer, then copy it, convert it to smart object, then go to filter, filter, play with hue saturation, increase contrast 25, lights, shadow, increase to 15, and then texture, increase the texture all the way up, clarity increase to 10, vibrance, you can set it to 50 or according to it, saturation, keep it 0, you can add detail, increase sharpness, noise reduction 15, and then click done. You completely created while paint food in Photoshop. If you like this video, you know what you have. Thanks for watching.